Hey guys, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is pretty much do my eyes first. I did already go ahead and prime my eyelids, and I already did my eyebrows. If you do want to see an eyebrow tutorial, just go ahead and go on my channel. Click back to my channel and you'll find my eyebrows tutorial from like 2-3 months ago. So my favorite this year color corrector was by LA Girl. These two was the perfect duo for my face, especially around my chin area, and that's only the main problems that I do have with my face is my chin area. So yeah, I just use the lavender color corrector, and I use the this is the wrong one, guys. And I use the orange color corrector by LA Girl. So yeah, these two have been awesome 2017. So yeah. So now when it comes to primer, there's two. I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to get all the products. The best two primer color well, I'm not gonna so the best two the best two primers was by Smashbox, the Smashbox priming, let me say it correctly, the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. This was literally the best hydrating primer for me for 2017. And when it comes to oiliness in my T-zone, it was the Benefit POREfessional primer. And when I could say this primer, it took the cake. So yeah, if you really are dealing with a lot of oiliness and your pores is kind of getting a little bigger, and you're really trying to find something to minimize your pores, you definitely want to go for this. Okay, so this is not new to literally anyone in the beauty community. These are literally my two favorite things when it comes to makeup, especially in 2017. This is all I used when it came to concealer, and that is the Shape Tape concealer. I did by medium and light medium honey, but I am in the shade light medium. I was always, and I still am, happy when I apply the Shape Tape, because literally I'm like, yes, it's about to cover those bags, come through. So yeah, if you really do want to invest in a good concealer, I would go ahead and invest in the Shape Tape. It did go up a little higher and it's $27 now. I mean, hey, beauty costs. So yeah guys. Okay, so I know I wasn't on YouTube a lot for 2017, but this year it's go big or go home. So around November and December, I did pick up the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This palette literally comes with all types of shades. It comes with transition shades, and then you go into your green and purple and bluish. Literally it has almost all colors that you need, guys, to make a beautiful look. Now with this palette, it does come with the names on the back. This is the new packaging for the Jaclyn Hill palette, because she did come out with her first palette and it was matte and it got dirty very quickly. So with this, you don't have to worry about that. And like I said, it does come with the names on the back if you are an influencer and you do makeup tutorials. With this palette, I think, yeah, it's $38. And when it comes to blendability, it blends wonderful, you guys. I am about to show you right now. Okay guys, so there were some technical difficulties where it didn't film all of this look, so I'm sorry. But if you really do want a remake on this look, then I will be gladly to post that for you guys. So now that I am through with my shadow, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the fallout. It does have a little bit of fallout if you do tack on the color. I did, like I said, that was some technical difficulties. So yeah, if you do really want me to redo this look, then I will be glad to do that in the next video. Okay, so now that I'm through cleaning under my eyes, there's a big difference. I'm just gonna go ahead and add my lashes and add my eyeliner. I am going to be doing pencil liner and not liquid liner. My favorite pencil liner, as always, in I think literally all my videos, is the Lord & Berry liner that I did get in my Ipsy bag. I love their liner, and I am planning on stocking up very much on their liner. And another thing is my favorite lash brand of 2017 that I did use is the Makeup Shack. Definitely go use that coupon that I have down below. I think it's either Shelby's or Tina's, I'm really not sure, but their coupon code is down below if you do want 20% off their lashes. Okay guys, so I put on my lashes and I did my liner. So now we're just gonna go ahead and go with my favorite foundation that was of 2017. It was the Bareminerals BarePRO. Right now, since we are in winter, I am shade 22T. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this, and I'm gonna apply this with the Makeup Shack T40 brush. So let's just go ahead and blend this out, and don't forget under the chin area too. You don't want to look weird in two different shades, especially for females like me, or males that's like me. You really don't want two shades. You see how my body is very tan, but when it comes to my face it's very light. That's because we're in winter, guys. We're in winter. So if you notice, then I am dabbing it a little, and I am circling it around where I want a little sheer coverage. I am going in circular motions, and where I want a little more fuller coverage, I do go ahead and I tap it in because I don't want to sheer it out. Okay guys, so I'm through with my foundation, and as you can see, it is definitely full coverage. So now we're just gonna go ahead and go in with my favorite concealer of 2017. Okay, so a quick trick, I know I look crazy guys, but a quick trick is to let your concealer sit for at least a minute. That way you get the coverage that you need. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let this sit for like a minute or like 30 seconds, and then go ahead and blend it out. Okay, so now that we have our concealer blended out, let's go ahead and set that bad boy right away. Now my favorite tool, yes, I do not have one favorite translucent setting powder to bake with and to set my face sometimes with, the Dermablend translucent powder in translucent duh, Jennifer, and the Mercier. Literally these two powders are literally perfect together. I love to first go ahead and set with this a little, and then I'll go ahead and bake with both of them sometimes, or just this one. And very lightly, I don't go heavy-handed with these two powders because you don't want to look powdery and you don't want to feel dry under your eyes. Okay, so now that we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and bake a little. Okay, so now that we're baking, we're gonna go ahead and use my Fit Me powder by Maybelline, and I'm in the shade 240. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a duo fiber brush by Luxie and go ahead and just set my face with this powder and just dust off that translucent powder also. So now that we are through with that, I'm just gonna go ahead and contour with my favorite contour palette right now, and that is the Anastasia contour kit in medium to tan. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the shade Nutmeg. Literally, that is my favorite shade out of this contour kit, and that's literally all I've been using in 2017. So for contouring, we're just gonna go ahead and use the Morphe R14 brush. Okay, so now we're just gonna go ahead and take my favorite blush of 2017. So the blush I'm talking about is in Parrrty by Tarte. Literally guys, I literally think this is the only blush that I'll be using in 2017. I mean in 2018, I almost said 2017. Okay guys, so for the lip, we're just gonna go ahead and go with Anastasia. So the liquid lipstick that I'm gonna be using is in Starfish. I'm not sure if I said that, but yeah. So my favorite gloss of 2017 had to be NYX Madeline Butter Gloss. Literally, guys, this was my favorite lip gloss out of 2017. This is what I would always literally use. If it wasn't this, it was Parrrty lip gloss in collaboration with ColourPop. So yeah, guys, this was my favorite, and it's literally so inexpensive. I think it's around $6.99 or $5.99. Don't quote me on that. Okay, guys, so I did accidentally forget to add in the highlight. I don't know, who am I? Like, because literally I never forget highlight ever. And that is literally my favorite part when it comes to makeup, is highlight. So let's go ahead and use my favorite highlight and the last product of, well, no, not last product, I forgot, setting spray. My favorite highlight of 2017 had to be OFRA Cosmetics in Blissful, and it's so pigmented. I could rave about this highlight all day long. But we're not gonna do that. But yeah, guys, this was literally the best highlight that I used of 2017. I can't rave about any other highlight that had to do with the year of 2017, because this was my go-to. So I did go ahead and put it in my inner tear ducts, and I did put a little on my nose. So let's go ahead and go with the last product of 2017, which has to be setting spray. So this is not new, especially not for me and anyone who knows me when it comes to makeup. And it's the Urban Decay All Nighter makeup spray. This lasts, it lasts like probably till 4 in the morning of, you know, you're going partying and clubbing. This is it, guys. Even when it's raining or whatever the case it may be, this setting spray sets my makeup like no other. So that's it, guys. That is the makeup tutorial of best of 2017. I love how it came out. I did not expect this look to come out like this. I did not have this planned at all, but I'm glad that, you know, it came out like this with you guys. So yeah, 2017, it was pretty good. But let's get ready for 2018, guys. Let's get ready for videos every week. It's no joke. It's go hard or go home. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell below, because if you want to see videos of me every single week of this year, then please click that bell below by the subscribe button so you can see videos of me and chill out, hang out, talk about whatever you want to talk about. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
Or maybe they starting to, cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever, but I will remember when I met you in the summer.